major problems of the world are the result of the difference between the way nature works and the way people think.
Climate change is the biggest moral imperative of our time. It's about carbon, and we have to do something about that.
In a sense, just aiming for sustainability is a bit of a low-hanging fruit, so we need to start increasing our ability to take a broader outlook.
Why people want change is stewardship of our land and the future, and better outcomes for New Zealanders.
The Living Building Challenge asks a really simple question: what does good look like? If we're putting all this energy, all this design time, all this investment, all this thinking into our projects, how do we know when they're good? How do we know when we've had some measure of success?
Green Star performance. So the thing that gets exciting is that across New Zealand you're going to be able to look at any building type and understand how it compares with other types of buildings. I've got Green Star 5-star. It's better than 4-star, right?
As a carpet company, the way we looked at our climate take-back plan, we got 4 pillars. So we got the Live Zero, that was our whole Mission Zero initiative. Love carbon, see it as an opportunity, not a challenge. Of course, nature is struggling to deal with the carbon we are putting out there. How can we help nature cool? And leading the industrial re-revolution. It's not just about one company, it's about another audacious challenge.